This video will supplement the handout for my AU 2016 presentation on page setup and plotting to scale. These are very basic projects that demonstrate the concepts and workflow to plot your projects to scale. Let's do the math. My sheet is an ANSI C, which is 22 by 17. Leaving about 20 by 15 usable space. The project is roughly 12 by 12. Divide the project size by the usable sheet size to calculate a suitable scale factor. Since both calculations are less than 1, full size scale will work. Open the Best Way To drawing. Right mouse button on the Layout tab and select Page Setup Manager. Select your printer, the paper size, ANSI C in this case. What to plot should be set to Layout and the scale 1:1. Edit the viewport window to better fit on the page. Set the viewport scale to 1:1. Use the pan to center the project in the window. Right mouse click on the viewport and set the display to locked. Your project is ready to print. We can plot the same project at different scales using multiple layouts. Add a new layout. Modify the page setup of the new layout. Set the printer, paper size to ANSI A, what to plot to layout, and scale 1:1. Adjust the viewport window to fit on your page. Set the viewport scale to 1:2 and lock the display. You should notice the existing dimensions and text are too small. Switch back to Model Space and use the Quick Select tool to select all the dimensions. Set them to be annotative in the Properties palette. Add the 1 to 2 annotation scale to the existing dimensions. Change the annotation scale of viewport to 1 to 2. You will need to adjust the dimension spacing. I like to use the stretch command for this. Add another ½ inch between the first dimension and the part. Add 0.38 between each baseline dimension. Select the material note text and adjust its properties to be annotative and add the 1 to 2 scale. Double check both layouts. You should notice your material note no longer appears on the ANSI C layout. Add the scale 1 to 1 to its properties. Now you're ready to print the project full scale on a C size sheet or half scale on an A size sheet. Confirm your settings with the print preview and plot your drawings.